Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishabh and I'm here again with another new video. Okay, so in this video I will tell you about a mail that many of you received after LOI. Okay, so I will first show you that mail and explain what is written in that mail. Okay, so here you will see mail. Okay, I will read. Okay, so here this come from candidature update, and here in this mail it is written that during the internal audit process it has been observed that you haven't uploaded all the mandatory documents. Means they are saying that you did not upload your documents yet, so you need to upload it in background verification page. Also they are giving that a survey link that you need to fill. Okay, and first of all, I will tell you the last date to submit this mandatory survey is 15 December 2021, 12 p.m. Okay, so as you know that you filled your LOI. Okay, and after LOI we expect the BGV mail, but you did not get BGV mail yet and get this pending upload documents mail. Okay, so what this mean? It means that they are missed to send the BGV mail, and they send you this survey mail, so that they will get the feedback from your side that you filled your BGV or not. Okay, so first of all you have to do one thing. You need to go to the Career Wipro page, log in there and open your background verification page and fill more details. Okay, and if you click on that fill more details and two birds appear, okay, or some error appear, then you need to mail to manager.campus@, okay, and what you have to write in that mail I will also show you here. Okay, you will see the format. You can write like this, and also replace your resume number here. Okay, and send the mail to manager.campus and attach the screenshot of the error. Okay, and after that you need to go to your this mail pending document mail and open the survey link by clicking here, and you need to fill the details. Okay, so I will tell you what you have to select in that survey form. Okay, so first of all you need to give your full name, your superset ID or resume number. So if you fill your details on superset platform, you have your superset ID. Okay, and if you fill your form with ICIMS portal, then you have your resume number in boarding pass. Okay, so copy and paste that superset number or resume number in this field, and you have to give your registered mail ID. Okay, so you need to give your registered Gmail ID, and then in fourth question you have to click on yes, because they are asking please confirm if you are interested to pursue opportunity with the company or not. Okay, so you need to provide yes, and after you click on yes, in fourth option they will provide two more questions. Okay, the fifth question is please confirm if you have uploaded all the required documents. So you have to put no, because you did not uploaded your documents yet. Okay, and in sixth question they are asking please confirm if you need any clarification to upload the documents. So you have to put no here, because you did not uploaded your documents yet, so for what you need clarification. Okay, so in fourth option put yes, in fifth put no, and in sixth also put no, and submit this. Okay, after you submit this you will get your response has been submitted. Okay, so you have to do these things only, and wait for the BGV mail. After you receive BGV mail you can upload your documents and details. Okay, and in I think 4 or 5 days they will send you BGV mail, because they are giving survey mail to get your feedback, and after that they will send you the BGV mail. Okay, so keep patience and wait for your BGV, and also don't try to log in that corporate login page in ICIMS portal, because if the page appear and asking for username and password, and you giving your password incorrect, means you are giving your password correct but they are taking it as incorrect because you don't have profile in corporate login page. Okay, so don't try to log in there, because your link is not activated, that's why they are redirecting you to that page. Okay, so this is all for now I want to say you in this video. So if you find this video helpful, then hit a like and share this video with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to get more information about the company that you want to join. Okay, so bye bye, take care, best of luck for your future.